ProGlove, where productivity starts. ProGlove is your wearable barcode scanner and software solutions partner for warehouse and distribution center operations. It easily integrates into your warehouse management system. Our scanners meet the speed, accuracy, and ergonomics that your workers need to perform their shop floor scans. ProGlove customers like DHL, Mercedes-Benz, and The Gap are saving up to 6 seconds per scan and seeing a 20% boost in their shop floor productivity. It's all due to our human-centered approach. ProGlove's wearable ergonomic design integrates perfectly with one's natural motion, putting your workers' health and safety first. Increasing productivity comes from more efficient workflows, processes, and evenly distributed workloads. Our scanners guide workers on the go with visual, acoustic, and haptic cues. Increasing warehouse productivity requires trained, engaged, and satisfied workers, and we're enabling workers to get at least 5% more work done without an ounce more effort or a minute more time. We can appreciate that the speed at which SKUs move through your warehouse is directly tied to the accuracy of scans. With multiple scan engine options, we ensure the fastest possible barcode reading speed for all scanning distances. ProGlove's Insight software enables our customers to know everything about every device at all times. You can remotely manage and track your devices, including their battery health, ensuring they are ready for use. Optimizing the performance of your warehouse requires analytical insights into your data. Our software helps you to easily design an efficient warehouse layout, evenly distribute workloads, and optimize your picking processes. ProGlove's vision is for a smarter, more productive, predictable, and profitable future that is crucial to expanding your warehouse productivity horizons. ProGlove, where productivity starts.